My talk's going to be in English. My favorite professor when I was in university. On the first day I came into class, he was asking us, do you speak English? And he said, if you don't, then IT is the wrong studies for you. Because IT language is English. And if you don't speak English, you should learn it. Who I am? I'm Thomas. I'm head of software architecture and integrations here at MeinFernbus, our office in the 7th floor in this very building. I'm here since August 2013, so roughly a little bit over 2 years. Started as a senior software engineer, and climbed up the ladder. Now I'm here. So I'm telling you a little bit about our company, who we are. We are Europe's largest long-distance bus provider and transportation company. We offer 10,000 connections, even more than that, in 14 countries. Currently, our main focus is in France and Italy, where we're expanding pretty fast. We have around 700 employees already in 2 locations, Berlin and Munich. Around 10% of them are IT people, so our IT department is around 70 people. But that will be a lot more during the next year with the growth plans that we have. So a lot of people are asking this question once we reach this point, which is this one. Maybe you're asking yourself the same question, maybe not. Still, I want to talk about that. If you think about it, like, for example, taking Uber or Airbnb, just, having some big names in my talk always comes good, which is Uber. They own no cars, right? They just provide a technology platform, bringing customer and car owners together. Airbnb, they own no flats. They just provide a technology platform to bring customers and flat owners together. And we own no buses. What we do is we bring our customers and our bus partners together. And we do that by providing a unique technology platform. We provide them with an award-winning booking engine. We have a very complex availability management. Our yield managers can assign buses in real time, can adjust capacity, can adjust pricing. A very complex pricing model that can also be adjusted in real time. Complex routing problems. If anybody of you knows about NP-hard optimization problems, there you go. You have a lot of them. Advanced network planning, a lot of visualization tools that we built so our network planners can actually analyze the current situation, compare last week with the week before. They have detailed diagrams around everything and every data you can think of. Classical accounting, unfortunately, like Oracle connectors, not really the best thing to do, but has to be done. Customer service, a lot of software integration, Salesforce, CRM systems have to be connected to our API, and of course the quality assurance internal as well. So we are a technology company. That's just what I want to put some strength on, because a lot of people come to me and ask me, why do you need IT people? Don't you need drivers? We don't have any drivers. That's the job of our bus partners to provide this service. So, just what can we offer? We have a highly motivated team, international team, from Ukraine, from Poland, from Germany, from Slovakia. So main language is English. We work with cutting edge technologies. Anybody heard about Kubernetes from Google, for example? We are currently setting up a test cluster running on Kubernetes to deploy our containerized services. So that's pretty much what everybody wants to do in our office currently. Agile development practices, you heard about Scrum and Kanban. We don't do Scrum from the textbooks. We do, I would call it personalized Scrum. You cannot just do Scrum from the textbooks and just put it on a company. You have to take the people into account, and the people own the process in our company. So if something goes wrong in the process, we are able to change it. There's no one on on top that says this is how it has to be done. It comes from within the team to define the process of software development. Yeah, we have attractive salary package. Has to be, you know, guys, that IT guys are pretty hard to find, and you have to kind of offer something there. So we do that. We have big training and conference budget. Personally, I think that's one of the most important things. If you think about lifelong learning that you should do, we want to offer that. We have internal trainings, getting internal workshops. We get external, really good external guys like Vince Vaughn, who did a DDD workshop in our premises. It was really good. We're going to different conferences. We've been at the Apache Mesos conference, for example, in Dublin. We're going to the Code Motion here in Berlin. We're going to Paris to the Symphony conference. So we're having a huge conference budget. I think that's very important. We have a very product-focused environment. Since we own the product that we develop in-house, we're not client-based. It's very good to we have a shared common goal that all the developers are working towards. It's very good to if the developer next to you has the same goal, the same direction that you have, it's very easy to work together on something, to focus and to be goal-oriented. And of course, we have demanding challenges in times of, well, if anybody wants to call buzzword bingo now, we have a lot of big data challenges that are coming up for now. I mean, if you think about that, 95% of the data worldwide has been collected in the last 3 years. That's just a very common thing that you have to do. There's so much value, you cannot. That's what we look for. Software engineers at any level, senior, junior, intermediate. If you can use a computer, you can apply for us. Mobile developers, iOS and Android, we have a native stack there, so it's Objective-C and Java respectively. Yeah, bingo again, data scientist / big data. Currently, there's it's based on R, but we're going towards probably Hadoop, Spark, maybe something else. Not yet decided, but there will be a lot of movement there. QA engineers, yes, very important guys. Normally, people think that these guys are not as important as these guys, but without these guys, whatever they do, in 6 months' time, it will all go to the bin. So they're as important as the software developers. Of course, if you have such a big team and so many people who want features there, you need people who manage the people who want the features. You cannot have direct access. You need prioritization. You need to manage these Scrum Masters. You need all this kind of stuff. So we need product managers as well. And of course, we need the guys with the shell, the guys that make the mail reach the right point, the right person. We need the Linux operators, and we need, of course, the DevOps guys. I told you about our challenges moving towards a Docker containerized setup. So here you have a look at our technology stack. Of course, since we are going into a Docker or Kubernetes stack, you can define your runtime environments yourself. So actually the freedom in choosing your stack is getting a little bit much broader, but in general, that's our current stack here. So, any questions? Please ask. And there you have 2 email addresses, but you can see me later on my table as well. I have some nice business cards that I can give to you. But right now, anybody has a question? No? Don't be shy. No? 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 Okay, then. Thank you very much.